Power iRacing today with Corbin, and I actually just got released myself, so I'm pretty pumped, and we will race tomorrow with both cars, 7X and the 26. Got the cameras on the car. We'll get some laps with that right there. Looks like they just blew the horn. Got some good cars here on hand. Welcome back to TmezTv. We are back at the racetrack, and today is the day that I got cleared by the doctors. Yes, I'm ready to go racing, but today I'm not racing. I'm working on the kids' car. We're down here at Coles County Power iRacing with you know, the midgets. So got Corbin's car all done this week, and yeah, he's about to be on the track right now. Pretty sweet looking little track, kind of like Port City maybe, but it's super hot today, so I'm guessing it's gonna dry up. Well, it fired up, so that's really good. I didn't have a chance to fire it because I don't have anything to push it off, and it has no laps, brand new motor, 5 laps to warm it up, send it. Look at that setup. Way to go, Dad. Still don't know that it's a good idea. So by the looks of it, though, it's not bent. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna go with. The camera's still on the car, so that's good.
Hey, they're gonna hook you up on the front and take you back, okay? What? Are you out of gear?
I don't ever get out of the car because I call it the walk of shame, and I have to actually walk and have the walk of shame. But if I get in the car and keep my head down and look at the steering wheel, I'm in my own world.
Yeah, you gotta listen to all the fucking bullshit. Are you working on this stuff?
Yeah, I built that car.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. I don't own it, but that's my car. Oh, we're getting back in. We're good. We're good. Get back in.
Got a left rear?
Hey. Still. Alright, so car got upside down. It didn't really hurt anything. Got both rear tires flat, and it knocked a bleeder out of it, so it broke one of the bleeder stems on our Swindell, and I pretty much cleaned the left rear wheel up, put air in it, remounted it, and the right rear was pretty much the same way, but I changed the right rear anyways. Track's going away. The car just kind of was like corkscrewing off the corner, which means in my mind it has too much right rear bar or shock and compression, or is just too proud on the right rear. So I softened the right rear bar up 15 pounds and then went 25 for this feature. We didn't get any laps, but off of the one corner I did see the car and it looked like it kind of corkscrewed is what we like to call it, off the corner. So got the car a little bit more balanced now, I feel like. Got FK shocks on it, so they got adjustable helper springs. So I got helper springs on it, got those cranked up quite a bit. Raised the nose a little bit, added a bunch of fuel, I think 14 gallons of fuel. We're gonna start in the back of this thing. Hopefully it just goes smoothly and we don't get it tore up. Got lucky, the ladder was still free, the ball was still free, and everything was still happy. Didn't bend any shocks. You know, the shocks are $500 a piece, so glad we didn't tear anything up. Just unfortunate because that put us behind and now we're starting last. Yeah, so getting to race tomorrow, pretty pumped. Tim fired up both cars today and he's bringing them down there. I'm just kind of getting this thing rolling. Hopefully we don't tear anything up tonight and we can have an easy maintenance day tomorrow because I'm going to be racing Corbin. So, yep. As always, thanks so much for watching TmezTv. I'm going to get out there. Alright, thought I would rip the one wheel out here while they were prepping the track. Track looks decent. It is going away. It doesn't look like there's a whole lot out there. So I might go ahead and raise the car a little bit more. They're working the top, so that means it's going to be on the top, I would imagine. So feel pretty good about the adjustments I'm making. Ultimately, going off of instinct here because we didn't really get many laps. Looks good. Oh yeah, she's slick. Real slick. But it's got some texture, so that's good. Oh yeah, we're gonna tighten it up. She's going slick, but mark my words, that 26 will be pulling wheelies. So I had a loose bolt on the brake caliper, and I found it as we were pushing onto the track. So now I'm in the infield.
That's
job.
got to be hard charger, all right?
Yeah, that was badass, dude. Woo. Lost power steering, huh?
Yeah, it's fucking got like a...
Well, it rolled in the trailer. It did get upside down tonight, but it didn't hurt anything. And the kid got hard charger like 17th to 6th, maybe 5th. I'm pumped.